Hello and welcome to this lesson about Easter. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to name a few things that are related to Easter. In this lesson, we will revise some words from the following lessons: animals, weekdays, seasons and months, and food part 2. You can find the links to these lessons in the description. The word list contains a few words that we've already covered in previous lessons. So we are also revising the following words: dit, eat, is, ease, a or an. The activity for this lesson will take place throughout today's lesson. I will give you the Afrikaans word and you should replace the question marks with the English word. At the end of this lesson, we will look at your answers. Paasfees, Easter, Goeie Vrydag, Goeie Vrydag. Good. And what is Vrydag in English? You can revise the weekdays, seasons and months lesson if you can't remember. Paaszondag, Paaszondag. Easter. And what is Sondag in English? Paasnaweek, Paasnaweek. Easter weekend. Paasvakansie, Paasvakansie. Easter holiday. This one is quite easy. What is April in English? Paashaas, Paashaas. Easter. And what is haas in English? You can revise the animals lesson if you can't remember. Paaslam, Paaslam. Easter. And what is lam in English? Paaseier, Paaseier. Easter. And what is eier in English? You can revise the food part 2 lesson if you can't remember. Okay, let's have a look at your answers. Antwoorde. Goeie Vrydag is Good Friday. Paaszondag, Easter Sunday. April, very easy. Paashaas, Easter bunny. Paaslam, Easter lamb. Paaseier, Easter egg. And now, using the words from the word list, you should be able to make the following sentences. Dit is Goeie Vrydag. Dit is Goeie Vrydag. Dit is Paaszondag. Dit is Paaszondag. Dit is April. Dit is April. Dit is 'n paashaas. Dit is 'n paashaas. Dit is 'n paaslam. Dit is 'n paaslam. Dit is 'n paaseier. Dit is 'n paaseier. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next lesson.